Welcome to my DIY vlog 1.
Hello guys, do you know that you can grow your own turmeric at home? You can grow your own lovely and organic turmeric at home. This is how we do. Um, you have to select the turmeric that has got new notes coming out, okay? Like this kind of, like this kind of. You can select this kind of turmeric. It will be easy and fast to grow. Okay, so you take this knot here. You can sow the turmeric on the ground or on any pot that are available at your house and give it a full sunlight. And then after watering it thoroughly, you can see the sprout looks like this. After it will take 1 year to get the harvest. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.